Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
76 degrees, our current air temperature. We have a dew point of 73, 91% relative humidity currently, and fairly clear skies out there. It's going to be a very sunny day today with little rain around. We'll look for temperatures to soar up to about 93 degrees again today for a daytime high. About 5 degrees above the normal for this time of year, which that doesn't seem like a lot perhaps to some folks, 5 degrees, but for a peninsula, 5 degrees is a significant departure from average, and that's where we'll be probably today and maybe tomorrow as well. The temperature as we head into the evening periods will drop into the 80s, but still I think most of us will be rain-free across the region. Titan radar quiet right now. Even in Gulf waters, we're not seeing much. You got to go all the way out into the far Gulf before you start to see some showers, and then way to the western side of the Gulf before you start to see numerous showers and thunderstorms ongoing. That's all part of that area of tropical moisture and low pressure that was down by Nicaragua 2 weeks ago when we first started watching it, and some of the computer models hinted at development. And we've been tracking it ever since. And now it's probably going to produce some flooding rains across parts of the Texas coastline over the next couple of days. The showers and thunderstorms really don't have any chance of organizing into anything or producing any kind of tropical weather, but they will produce some heavy rainfall there. While we, on the other hand, have gotten some drier air that has moved in aloft. That's what that tan color is on the water vapor imagery. It has replaced the moisture indicated here by turquoise colors that continues to erode back into Gulf waters, while we're left with some very tranquil conditions for several days in a row. The Futurecast shows maybe we get an isolated shower or two out in the Gulf, but that really is about it through the noontime hour. Then maybe an isolated shower in well inland areas. They stay there. They kind of don't last long. They fall apart as we head into the evening. And along the coastline, we stay dry right straight through the period with mostly sunny skies. I think that's going to be the name of the game today. Big ridge of high pressure extends from the deep south back out into the Atlantic. Underneath that high, we get that that easterly wind flow, and that continues to be with us throughout the day today, keeping the sea breeze fairly close to the coastline. Now, with time, we'll watch that high sink south and winds shift to a more westerly direction. That'll occur probably Wednesday into Thursday. At that point, moisture will have started to return to the peninsula, but because of that westerly flow, what we'll notice is that kind of pattern where we get a morning shower near the coast maybe, but then by the time of daytime maximum heating, those showers are pushed toward the other coast, and we stay dry during that warm period when those cooling rains are so nice to have. So we'll in for a kind of a prolonged period of dry and very few showers, warm, humid conditions. Maybe by the weekend we start to see some slightly better rainfall chances as that high begins to expand northward once again. Our winds become lighter and less unidirectional, and we start to get a little bit better thunderstorm action with the sea breezes that develop. 10-knot winds today out of the west this afternoon, becoming a little more northwesterly with time, and the forecast looks like this. We'll have a daytime high that tops out around 93 today, and over the next couple of days we'll factor in small chances of showers. Summer comes our way on Thursday. Don't forget that, 6 in the morning. Or 6:07 actually, and then over the course of the next couple of days thereafter, the moisture begins to increase, and so too do the chances for rain showers. Monday looks like we could be back to kind of a standard afternoon for a typical summer day.